So this is how I do my evening skincare routine. I start off with my Roche Posay, the oil cleansing, and I double cleanse in the evenings. I only do want one cleanse in the morning, so I double cleanse in the evening, and I stand by the Roche Posay. It is my favorite cleanser ever, and I will continue to purchase it. I use my exfoliating little wand. I don't remember where I got this. I think I got it at like TJ Maxx like forever ago, but it does the job. Cleansing my face, rinsing that off, and then I will go in with my second cleanse. I use the one of those like clean skin brushes, not brushes, but those little towelettes. Do I think they're necessary? No, but I do purchase them because I like it, but you can go without it. So here's my second cleanse, and I use the Hydrating Cleanser by Roche Posay. You need this, go get it. It's the best. So here I'm just drying my face off with those clean towelettes and moving to the exfoliating pads by Double Repair. I will drop everything in the caption. Sometimes I'll use two of these, but just depending on my mood. I just did one for the exfoliating pad, and you can see it still had, even after double cleansing, I still had dirt on my face. So I think it's also important to make sure you're doing an exfoliating scrub or exfoliating pad after double cleansing. I use the moisture pads, and I will put two of those, one on each side of my face, and leave it on for a little bit. And then I will move it around and just making sure I get all of the goodness out of those moisture pads on my face. So here I'm just also making sure to rub everything in around my face and on my neck because I also want my neck to be moisturized and cleansed before I go to bed. I go in with the Kiehl's Avocado Under Eye Cream, and I love this stuff. I notice a difference. I put a little bit too much on here, but I rub it in, I let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll fully rub it in under my eyes. But this is great for your under eyes. So next I have I typically alternate between the Sunday Riley Sundays and the Estee Lauder's Night Repair. Tonight I went with the Estee Lauder Night Repair, and I rubbed it in with the Naturium Overnight Cream. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I like to do it. I always put my oils in my moisturizer or whatever cream I'm putting on, and then rub it on all in my face. If I'm not doing that overnight cream, I will always use the Roche Posay Double Moisturizer. That is like my favorite. That is my OG moisturizer, and I will forever use it. But if I don't do that overnight cream by Naturium, then I will use that La Roche Posay moisturizer. In the morning, I will rinse this off because it requires you to cleanse your face in the morning after putting on this overnight cream. And then I will go back in with an oil and that La Roche Posay Double Moisturizer. It's the best. But I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.